Hi everyone, today we're doing some more ornaments, but today we're going to be doing some stars. I do purchase these from Hobby Lobby. You get 2 in a pack and watch for them when they're on sale. And you want to grab them now because they will be out of stock soon. So I'm going to be using some pretty colors on these. I'm going to be using the antique copper from my Posse paint line. It's a gorgeous color. And this one is rose quartz from TLP. This little piggy. I'm going to add a little more Jowa to that, just to thin it out just a little bit more. And this one is sangria. So pretty. And of course I'm going to be trying out the Venus. I have not used this yet, so no time like now. That one needs to be a little thinner too. So, we're going to do 4, and we'll see how they come out. So, enjoy the video, and I'll see you back here in just a few.
Call me, tell me I'm alive, pull me, fill me up inside here. In the silence of the space, we all find the conclusion, break our illusions, way beyond seeking ourselves. Floating in my mind, taking what I find, how it is to where it's come and why it's meant to be. Dreaming I could lay in fields of Claude Monet. Sirens call my ear and I hear beautiful creatures sing to believers way beyond seeking themselves. Tonight, oh tonight, I wonder if tonight is when I will feel it again. Tonight, I wish to live, I wish to stay. In the light, in the dark, on the verge of who we are, we solemnly reach for the stars. Tonight, I wish to love you all the way. Naked to the bone, opening my soul to how it is, to where it's come, to where it's meant to go. Freedom is within, harmony begins. When all our conclusions break our illusions, way beyond seeking ourselves. Tonight, oh tonight, I wonder if tonight is when I will feel it again. Tonight, I wish to live, I wish to stay. In the light, in the dark, on the verge of who we are, we solemnly reach for the stars. way. When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Would you know my name? Would you know it and did you feel the same? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? It's too late now, 'cause I'm growing old, but I need you to deal with my sorrow. Just a memory, just a broken frame, and I know that I have no one else to blame. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Would you know my name? Would you know it and did you feel the same? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Should've told you that you're beautiful. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Would you know my name? Would you know it and did you feel the same? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost, but you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try but don't succeed, yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. And when I try, I don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me. Does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.
Come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river. Get down on your knees. Come to the mountain while taking in the view.
So here they are, all 4 of them that we did. They came out beautiful. I don't normally use a white cell activator, so I thought with these pretty pink colors, and of course we use the antique copper as well, that it would pop, and that's why I used the darker color at the end, and that was the sangria. But I really love them. I'm not a pink girl, but these are super pretty. And these will have to get resined along with the many, many, many more I'm going to be doing. But thanks so much for watching today. Join me on Monday nights. I'm live at 9 p.m. Eastern. Thursday nights I do tutorials on my channel. We have a great gang that come and hang out and learn all kinds of new stuff. We do ornaments. We do all kinds of stuff. I'll be doing those till the end of the year, and that's at 8 p.m. Eastern on Thursdays. And I throw videos up here and there, and premieres are kind of going to be a new thing, so that people can come in and chat while we have a video going. So you're not alone while you're watching. But thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye now.